Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Getting ready, so just like a little chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm gonna be heading to my friend's house for a little bit. Haven't seen her in a long time, so we're gonna go over there for a little bit. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna start first with. So this morning I did my skincare, did all that good stuff. So right now I'm just gonna put foundation I'm gonna use today is one of my Balm Holy Grails, and it has SPF 20. So I'm not gonna wear SPF, but my foundation. Always make sure if you're not gonna put SPF on your face, make sure that the foundation you have has SPF. This one has 20. It brightens your complexion for all skin types. So really love this foundation. It's like, I love this foundation. Okay, so then for primer I'm going to use. So I'm gonna wear minimal makeup today. I'm just gonna do like a little bit. I'm not really in the mood. As you can hear, I have allergies. My nose is congested, and I just really want my skin to glow. I don't want it to feel dull. And I'm not gonna put a lot of makeup on. So I'm just gonna use this Touch and Glow Radiant Cream. Instantly illuminates for luminous complexion with moisturizing argan and vitamin E from Dirty Works. And this stuff, it works, guys. This stuff smells amazing, and it really brightens your face. Like, it makes your face nice and brighten up. So my July favorite, so I'll be up soon tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or something, so, or next week or something, or keep a lookout for that, because I know last month I forgot to put my favorites up. I've been forgetting those too as well, and I like to do those type of videos. A little bit of my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, just because I feel like when I'm a little bit congested, I have, like, my pores are really like enlarged at the time. You guys, if I sound like a man. Because, like, I'm so, yesterday was bad. Like, yesterday was worse. Yesterday, like, I was at work. I felt so miserable at work yesterday. I was like, oh my God, bro. Like, I just want to go home and go to sleep. So when I got home at 6, shower, I tried to go lay down for a little bit and, like, kind of, like, go take a nap. But I couldn't, guys. Like, I'm not a nap person. Like, I don't know. And I was trying to take a nap, but I just couldn't. Like, I was laying down and put my alarm for, like, to at least sleep 2 hours. Nope, I couldn't breathe through my nose. My throat was scratchy, like it was like that painful scratchy where you're like swallowing and it hurts. So I was like, oh heck no, I can't sleep like this. So I just basically took a lot of like sinus congestion medicine, ibuprofen. I drank a lot of tea. Been doing that all day, and today I woke up feeling so much better. Like, my throat didn't hurt anymore. I just still feel congested. That's about it. Okay, so into my skin, I am just going to do my brows. You already know me, guys. So I'm gonna speed through this a little bit because I don't want to take you forever, because my brows do take forever. So let's speed through this. Guys, 300 years later. Now let's set them lids. And I'm hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, which you guys know I love this concealer. It's actually amazing. I don't know, like, hydrating and nice, and I really like it a lot. So I'm just gonna really. So yeah, guys, this morning I had a productive morning. I just woke up. Felt so much better. I could actually breathe. Like, I don't know about you, but I hate when I like have allergies or I'm congested and then I can't breathe through my nostrils. Like, one is open, the other one's closed. Oh my God, I get so much anxiety like that. I just did, you know, Vicks every night. I put Vicks on my feet with some socks. That works wonders. And I just feel much better. The only thing I got is that little tiny cough. And then, but you know, that's about it. Other than that, I feel so much better than yesterday. Yesterday was horrible. But see, I like to tackle things right when I'm sick. I feel something, I start taking medicine because I'm like, it gets worse and worse. Okay, to set those lids, I'm using my Fair Light Maybelline Fit Me powder. So yeah, like I said, I just spent time with God. So what I did was I just ate breakfast, then I took my dog on a walk, and then I came home, then I came back inside and pretty much just, you know, put worship music on. And now I'm just getting ready and thought I will film it for you guys. Thought I will film me getting ready to go to my friend's house. I'm just gonna chill with them for a little bit. In a way, I kind of don't feel like going, but I haven't seen her in a minute. She was my good friend, so I just want to go spend time with her for a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. That's why I'm doing like some simple minimal makeup. I'm going to get this little white shade is called Full Zip, and I'm just going to really just pack it all over the lid. I love these ColourPop shadows, guys. They're so nice. The pigment is good. I got this, the Note to Self brown right here, and just use it with this Sona Cassia brush, and I'm just going to really pack it on here. I noticed I'm better off packing color than actually like going ham in with a brush and just like, you know, start really going crazy. Like, so I really noticed to like really take my time. Oh yeah, like, so my husband, I'm waiting for my husband right now, so I'm getting ready now because when he comes we're leaving. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang out over there for a little bit. Nothing, like, I want minimal makeup, but I want it to still look like I, you know, like I'm put together, like I took time to actually do my makeup. And I'm just gonna go more into here, like the outer right here, and just putting it, like literally packing it on just a little bit, not too dramatic, none of that good stuff, just really keeping it right there. Guys, can you believe that, like, it's already August? Like, legit, it is August 1st. Tomorrow's my sister's birthday. Now I'm gonna get back to that brush and I'm just going to blend it. Full zip, and I'm just gonna really intensify that white right here. Just really put it in here, almost like I'm doing a half cut crease, but like a simpler way than using concealer or anything like that. Just like to go to my face now, so I'm going to apply my Healthy Foundation SPF 20 brightening complexion from my Physician Formula. I love this foundation, guys. I swear, for the summer, this foundation is amazing. MW2. This foundation is so bomb, guys. Like, and it has so much, like, you could build it up, you know, whatever. I just try to use it when I don't want to do those days of makeup. I just try to cover like my little rosy cheeks. I always have rosy cheeks for no reason. I don't understand. See, like, that one little layer just makes a difference in my skin, and it just looks so nice. Like, it's such a nice foundation. I love this foundation. So then now I'm gonna go in with my satin concealer. Just apply it here to brighten it, and I legit make a line here because it's kind of elongate your eyes, and it's going to give you like a, it's gonna like lift your eyes and give you like a snatched up eye, like if you probably did like an eye lift or something, like legit. Like, because I want this area to really be bright. I want it to look like I'm awake already. Like, see the difference? This eye is so much brighter compared to this eye. You know, it's like, it's all how you do it. Like, take your time with your makeup too as well. Now let's do the other eye. I will speed to this one. Then I'm gonna grab my powder and I'm going to set my eyes. I use it and I love it. Also with my Airspun, because you all know this is my holy girl. I love this Airspun brush. So yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to contour just a little bit. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna use my Take Home the Bronze. You guys know in Oliver I love this bronzer. It is amazing. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit. Like, I really just want a little bit. Tarte blush in Quirky. I really love this blush. Tarte also has amazing makeup products as well. I really like them too. But girl, you can't go wrong with your affordable drugstore makeup. Drugstore makeup, it does exactly the same or maybe better sometimes than high-end makeup. So some little blush on my nose as well, just to kind of go and spray my face. So I'm gonna use, I used the other one, the cucumber of the Wet n Wild, but I haven't used the rose and the coconut. So today I think I'm gonna use the coconut instead. Let's do the lower lash line. Revolution Strobe Highlighter, which I like this highlighter. Got it at TJ Maxx, but I'm pretty sure you can get it in Walmart. Target. Brush, the Chic Pro Highlighter. I got this in 5 and below. And I'm just going to add just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Man Eater Mascara. This mascara is so good when you don't want to wear lashes. And it separates all your lashes. And it just, I don't know, just makes it, your lashes look so nice and so full. Like, it separates your lashes, guys. So I'm just gonna go in with my jumbo white pencil and NYX. You guys know I like this. It really brightens your eyes. With this color right here, just in the inner corner to kind of bring the green that I have on. Use my lip gloss Brilliant, my Wet n Wild Aquarius. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Get ready with me. Thank you for getting ready with me, guys. I hope there wasn't too over the place or my voice didn't sound too crazy or manly. So yeah, guys, I hope you had a productive Saturday today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss a video. And like I always say, may God bless you.